In this video here, I want to show you my pressure washing setup. I have a Predator 4400, 4.2 gallons per minute. Now, I bought this new at Harbor Freight. It was like 900 and something. Okay, this is what it comes with. Comes with a wand, comes with tips, comes with 50 feet of 3/8 solution line. But I made a few modifications to it. I'm going to show you what I did. Be sure to like, be sure to subscribe, leave a comment down below. Alright, I got it all set up. First thing I did, I bought one of these. It allows me to change my degree of the water, and also allows me to swap between soap and rinse. Alright, second thing I did, I bought me some more line. Bought another 50 feet. Third, I got a chemical injector. I got bleach in this bucket, and what it does, bleach will come through this line and mix it with the water. Now this right here will spray 4 to 1. Then when you get ready to rinse, all you do, pull that out, the line clear of bleach, then rinse it off. Alright, I've got my machine down there in front of my truck. I'm running 100 feet of 3/8 line on it. I'm going to show you how it works. This is my shed. As you can see, it's looking a little dirty. I'm going to get my cameraman to hold this phone for me while I show you how it works. I'm going to put my tip in. Got it set on soap. It's not a whole lot of pressure going to come out. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to bleed the line and make sure soap and bleach is coming out. Would be considered soft washing. I'm not really using a whole lot of pressure. Basically what I'm doing is applying the bleach to the building and letting the bleach do the work. Like I said, I pulled out my line going down into the bleach and my chemical injector. What I got to do now is bleed the line and the bleach. So I'm going to hit the spots that I missed the first time, and I'm going to go back and rinse off what I already sprayed. The good thing about this is that you can do soft washing or power washing with this setup. All you do is just change the dial on the tip. This would be perfect for somebody who maybe want to add pressure washing to a service you already offer, or maybe you're getting started in pressure washing. Here's what it looks like after I soft washed it. Didn't use any pressure, just used bleach and just rinsed it off with the machine. If you need a link to any of the add-ons, just drop a comment down below and I will drop a link. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.